Hi everybody, I'm Rebecca and welcome to my kitchen. And yes, this really is my kitchen. Today I'm going to make potato salad. Just a little recipe and that's not going to take long. The worst part is cooking the eggs and cooking the potatoes. So what I have in here is about 4 eggs and about a half a cup of white sweet onion. And I have those in there and I have them all cut up and ready to go. Now I have golden potatoes, the small ones. And I cooked my potatoes and my eggs together in my Instapot. 5 minutes, that's all it took. Threw them in a bath of cold water and they're ready to go. Now you can pull the skins off and it doesn't take that long. You can just go around and they come off really easy, or you can leave them on. And I'm going to do a few out and a few in. So what you're going to do now is you're going to cut up your potatoes, and I don't like great big chunks of potatoes, so I'm just gonna do them in smaller little chunks. You could of course divide that in half like this, and then do it like this, depending on what you like, depending on what size chunks you want. I do about 6 chunks, unless they're small like this, and I'll cut them in half. But these little yellow, they're called golden potatoes, are the best. I think they have the best flavor. You can also do this with regular Idaho potatoes, or you could use red potatoes, and I do red potatoes a lot with this. They're just got a better flavor to them, and they're just easier to cook, and I enjoy just cutting them up and getting it out of the way, especially with the 4th of July coming right around the corner. And you have to make a huge batch. It's so much easier to do the small ones and to do them in the Instapot. I'm going to mix that around, and as you can see, they'll fall apart once we start getting moving here. So I am going to add, you can do celery. Well, we're not celery people. We like the taste of it, but we just, for some reason, we just don't like it. So I add about a tablespoon of celery seed to it. I also will salt and pepper this. The next thing I'm going to do, and I am really bad about measuring, but at least 1/4 of a cup of sweet pickle relish, and of course that's probably a half a tablespoon of mustard, because I like mine yellow. And the next thing I'm going to add is mayonnaise. And this is something I just eyeball. I know it's terrible because I can't tell you. That was probably a good 3/4 of a cup. Now I just stir it around until I get it all mixed up. And the yolks help it turn yellow. And I don't know, just something about Just something about potato salad. It's always really good. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is put this in a nice bowl, a nice serving bowl. I use this to mix it all up in, and I'm going to leave a little bit back because I want to it's perfect. Good. I'm going to smooth this out a little bit. You can decorate it with eggs if you want. Ooh. First time using this. I don't know if I can get it all. There we go. I don't know about all of you. Let's see if you agree with me. I know we like our stuff safe. But I'm going to tell you, that stuff coming off is hard to get off. Especially for an old lady like me. Now I take paprika and I just spread some paprika on it. You can cover it up with saran wrap or foil and put it in the refrigerator till it's chilled. Very easy, very quick recipe. Just cook your potatoes and your eggs and you're ready to roll. If you have any questions, please post it below. Also, like this video and please subscribe. It's free. All you do is make a YouTube account and you subscribe to our channels. That way you do not miss any of our videos. And we have some good things coming up. We have Try 5 Friday. Every Friday we try 5 new things and we release that video every Friday. So come and join us for that. Until my next video, thank you for coming into my kitchen. Bye.